very, very big message for grown-ups.
Do I look 20% smaller to you? I must to McDonald's. When I order a regular burger at McDonald's, they make it with 20% less meat than Burger King. Unbelievable. Luckily, I know perfect way to show McDonald's how I feel. I go to Burger King.
Aren't you hungry for Burger King now?
And now, a stupendous, gigantic, colossal deal from Burger King.
I just found out right now a regular hamburger is only 39 cents at Burger King. Only 39 cents for a burger. I wonder why. It's now Christmas. Is that my birthday? I know what it is. It's unbelievable.
For a limited time only at Burger King, get a regular burger for just 39 cents. Burger King presents simple arithmetic. If a man drives at 45 miles per hour and he sees a McDonald's 1 mile ahead and a Burger King 2 miles ahead, exactly how far must he travel for a plain broiled burger? And where must he stop for that rich, juicy flavor you just can't get from frying? Well, you figure it out.
For the next 30 seconds, Burger King will conduct a test of your appetite alert system. Right now, Burger King restaurants in your area are offering the King Combo, a juicy flame-broiled Whopper, large order of quick golden fries, and an ice-cold Pepsi. The King Combo, all for a special price. To complete this test, please report. Only $1.99. Prices may vary.
Yeah, Whopper Freddy's, please. No problem. Whopper your pickle. No problem.
Oh, yeah.
Like a backyard barbecue. Fix your burger any way you like. There is one way we can't fix your burger.
You've got a problem.